Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, thank you so much to my new subscribers. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Now guys, today we are talking about the one and only UDJ Sbu. So guys, one thing about UDJ Sbu, it's like everything that he says or does, it always brings him trouble, So Kesana, there's a post on Twitter that was posted by MTN News. They said DJ Sbu received backlash for criticizing a man selling drinks on the street just because he wasn't selling his energy drink brand Imofaya. And then someone, DJ Sbu, commented on that post and said, "Ngiyaxolisa, tshwarelo guys for any offense, none was intended. We are empowering my brother as we speak. More to come soon. It's all love." So guys, as I said, that one thing about DJ Sbu, everything that he says, it's like people are always looking for something, and as he is saying, Lana Oguti, they are trying to empower the brother, who knows, maybe they are going to offer him more fire drinks to sell, maybe they will be giving him for free or stuff like that, So now he is getting backlash. Kutuayena, he was criticizing Ubrother because Ubrother was not selling more fire energy drinks. And guys, I think maybe it was just a joke, but I was not there. Maybe he was just joking. How more fire? Let's try to empower you, as he said. They are currently trying to empower him, And then someone also commented and said, "Sbusiso, we forgave you for pulling that Chidima stunt. Now this. I mean, can you at least admit to the following? Number 1, wadla imali yaka Zahara. Number 2, nguwe umzeke. Number 3, where are the pictures of vacation your friends like this?" When there was still this issue yaga Chidima Adechina, UDJ Sbu was all the way defending her, But Kesana, he was not the only one that was defending Chidima Adechina. But it's like UDJ Sbu, this thing is anamatele. It's the same as Ulirato Khanyago, This thing is just with them all the way, wherever they go, But people are just wanting answers. Where are the pictures, friends like this? Guys, I'm even starting to think these people were just acting Lapiana, But leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you know anyone why I go vacation your friends like this? Because Mina personally, I do not know anyone. Even on social media, we've never seen those pictures, And now, hey, DJ Sbu also commented and said, "You guys like dragging me for no reason." Then someone also answered and said, "And that 200 belongs to Uzahara." Like, this thing of Uzahara and this other issue of Chidima Adechina is always going to be with DJ Sbu, guys, And I feel like people are just attacking him because he is so quiet and so reserved, even on social media, man. I can't put that much, But Kesana, that's it, guys. DJ Sbu was criticized for bashing that poor guy who was selling on the street. And please leave a comment in the comment section down.